Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my visual presentation. This is Sai Preeti from Computer Science Department. I have chosen smart glasses as my topic. These glasses will look like a normal glasses, but this will have a separate specifications. By the end of this presentation, you all will get clarity about these smart glasses. These are the topics we are going to see in our presentation. What smart glasses are, who invented these smart glasses and when, how these smart glasses work, what are the applications, advantages, disadvantages, augmented reality versus virtual reality, and finally the conclusion. Let's start our learning. First, what smart glasses are? The term smart glasses refers to a device that brings with a suitable technology, a computer screen or display, in front of a person's eyes in order to present data from the background information system. Most importantly, the user can observe the environment without any distractions when he is not in the need of the information provided by the smart glasses. These smart glasses are worn on the face like traditional eyeglasses but are packed with the technology to display information that's literally within eyeshot. Who invented smart glasses and when? These smart glasses are first prototyped in late 2012. Mars Kapadia, a 16-year-old from Arizona, has devised his own concept for a pair of smart glasses, something at which big tech companies like Google have failed. How smart glasses work? Your smart glasses with project an image to a holographic mirror surface. This surface will then bounce the image directly into your eyes. This means you're not constantly having it block your vision. It's simply floating in front of you. The main purpose of smart glasses is to provide the accessibility of viewing certain elements of your phone and other IoT devices without needing to do anything except waving your hands in the air, look in a certain direction, or use your voice. These are the various applications of smart glasses: workout path tracking, in-store comparison shopping, advertising, secure payment application, smart shopping, location services, educational training, gaming, TV alerts notifications, business aid, complex manufacturing, logistics and warehousing. Advantages of smart glasses are lower operational costs, greater operational efficiency, enhanced productivity, remote in-service inspections, increased on-the-job learning. There will be disadvantages too. Users may feel eye strain or develop a headache when wearing the device. Users will have tough time taking care of it. Privacy of people may breach with new glasses, may leads to accidents while driving. These are very sensitive. Let's see augmented reality versus virtual reality. Augmented reality. Surroundings enhanced by the use of virtual objects. User can see the real world along with the virtual one. User can interact with the virtual objects. Virtual reality creates a virtual world where the user can immerse themselves in. See the virtual world only. Direct movements affect the virtual world. Finally, the conclusion. Smart glasses are a form of augmented reality, promising technology that comes with many ethical dilemmas. Hasn't been extraordinarily successful so far, not the same as virtual reality. Thank you very much for your unwavering attention throughout this presentation.